Hello guys, this is Simple Mechanical Solutions. In this video, we'll show how to change your car engine oil at home using simple tools. To change car oil, you need oil, oil filter and a drain plug. First remove oil filling cap that will be in yellow color. And then remove drain plug and drain all the oil. And then remove oil filter cap using 27 number socket with a long extension and ratchet. After removing the cap, remove oil filter, clean the cap, replace the O-ring, close the cap with a new oil filter. Remove the dipstick. Place the funnel in an oil tube. Pour the oil up to 2.5 liters. Check the oil level using a dipstick. Pour rest of the oil if needed. Inspect for any sign of leak. After completing this procedure, start your car and keep it in idle condition for 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you for watching Simple Mechanical Solutions. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. For more updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.